Hello and welcome to my channel. It's your friend Fabulous Anishi for corporate affairs, commission activities, incorporation, post-incorporation, anything CAC. You're welcome to this channel. Okay, all right. Today I'm going to be doing something different. Okay, because I felt that it's necessary. Okay, and it's all about this registration of a thing, registering business name, company, private company limited by shares, registering private company limited by guarantee, registering an incorporated trustee, IT, of any type. Okay, all right. Before I go into what I have for you today, I want to encourage you to encourage me. All right, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. You are in the right place where you will learn anything CAC, pre-incorporation, post-incorporation, whatever CAC, everything CAC. Okay, so turn on the notification bell, subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe, tell your family friends to subscribe to support this channel. All right, so that we can do great and mighty things together. All right, so today I want to talk about business registration course. Okay, business registration course is a course that I have put together to help people register, to help people do the business of registering businesses. Okay, that sounds funny. Business of registering businesses. So everything CAC. A lot of people chat me up or make comments on my channel concerning business registration and all that. And you know that there's quite a lot about registering business. Business name registration can be straightforward. I do that in less than 24 hours most times. But I see people struggle with it. They do it 3 weeks, 1 month, and some or even run into 3 months and all that. You don't have to have all those difficulties, but if you have the right training, you'll be able to register your business and also register for others and make money. All right, so the topic of this video is how to make money registering business for people. All right, that is how you can make money registering business. Okay, and because I'm introducing to you, when you get it, you have access to me, to my mentorship. Apart from the completeness, the comprehensiveness of the course, how much the course cover business registration, private company registration, private company limited by shares registration, private company limited by guarantee registration, IT, that is incorporated trustees registration. Okay, I did a great job, and I've enjoyed great reviews, from the students that have taken this course. Most times, we have barristers and chartered accountants take this course. Okay, so I just felt that I should just talk about the course and encourage interested persons to get the course, because they'll be getting a lot of value. So if you are a barrister, you are just starting your journey in this stuff, I want to encourage you to opt in for the course because correcting a mistake in CAC is more expensive than registering a new business. So you don't have to make any mistake. And I've decided to make the course also very, very, very affordable. All right. So let me talk less and go straight to the course and show you, where the course is structured and on my learning management system. So this is my website, Fabulous Impact. Okay, and I have the learning management system on the side. Okay, as you can see, and we have CAC, Corporate Affairs Commission Agency course. Okay, so this is a course on how to register business, anything business registration. Okay, this does not cover post-incorporation, but I provide mentorship, guide and direction because of the complexity of post-incorporation. I doing a video on it, doing a course on it separately would very, very challenging. So I provide support to my students, on everything post-incorporation. You can see that the course is business registration course, and instead of 20K is 15K. 15K is actually a chicken change, compared to what you make from, the business of business registration. Is lucrative. Like it's lucrative. You can make times 5 or times 10 of this of this course fee for registering a private company limited by share if you play your games well. All right. So this is about the course, you know. And then these are the topics that are covered: introduction to CAC and business registration overview, introduction to CAC, okay. And we have this is the section. So these are the courses in the section: introduction to CAC, business registration overview, important rules, and of registration to note, requirements for registration. Then we have section 2. All right, let's know what is in section 2. We have CAC official website overview, CAC registration portal. All these things are very important. You will get to know much just going through the course. Public search, CAC dashboard overview and name. There are different categories of public search, and if you're my student, you have privilege to these things, okay. Then you have account creation and verification, disapproval and approval notice, business name registration. You can see that this thing covers everything about business registration. Then queries, resolving queries, how you can resolve queries. If you're my student, you can have access to me, on peculiar queries, some queries that are complex and some queries that are confusing, okay. Company name reservation and a little peep on process of registration, company registration 1, 2. You can see that it's actually comprehensive. Stamp duty payment and registration. You can see post-incorporation, limited by guarantee and all that, and incorporated trustees. You can see reservation code and concept application, certificate download and remark. Yeah, and there are a lot of samples. There are a lot of stuffs like sample documents that I put here. I even taught you how you can do pricing, marketing, sample docs for MOA and AOA, that is article of association, okay. So it's a comprehensive course. Apart from the direct mentorship access to me, all right, I don't actually attend to people that contact me personally, to help them with, that was going to be stressful. But once you get a course, you have access to me. You can ask me any question. All right. So get this course and know how you can make massive money. 7-figure is an understatement, for people that are into this business. Nevertheless, there are days of little beginning, but with consistency, I taught all that strategy here. All right. I never know that I can really make a lot of stuff from this course, from business registration services, okay, until I just had a time, and then I was doing it. Today I enjoy a lot of referrals, like massive referrals from people, because I've been consistent, so there's rule of consistency. I taught all that in the course, and it's going to be a huge investment for you. You're going to be making a lot from this course, okay. So if you're interested in the course, you can come to my site and add it to carts, or just click on this WhatsApp button, contact me, and we'll get talking. All right. So this course will walk you through everything business registration, and access to me for every registration need. I know this stuff. When I say I know this stuff, there's nothing about this stuff that I haven't done. So welcome on board, get in touch with me, and then start making money. I want a lot of people to join me on this course, because so that they can earn so much for themselves, and for their family. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. Share this video with friends and family. Encourage your friends and family to get this course, okay? And they will always be happy with you. Thank you. Get in touch with me. Thank you very much.